Okay. Good afternoon to one and all. Today we are starting third unit. It is third unit, greedy method. In greedy method, there are five problems. First one, knapsack problem. Second one, job sequence with deadlines. Third one, minimum cost spanning tree. In minimum cost spanning tree, there are two methods. The first one is Prim's algorithm. Second one is Kruskal algorithm. Already you are studying minimum cost spanning tree in MFCS subject. Next one, optimal merge patterns. And next one, single source shortest path. So totally five problems. In greedy method, general method. The greedy method is most straightforward technique to solve different problems. That is, there are different problems means a knapsack problem or job sequence with deadline and minimum cost spanning tree. And next one, optimal storage and single storage. It is a straightforward technique means suppose one problem has many solutions. That is, one problem has many solutions, but we are finding best solution. That is, best means optimal solution by using greedy solution. That is, by using greedy method you are finding optimal solution. For example, it is the problem has n inputs. That is, the problem has n inputs. The any subset of n. That is, suppose the problem has three inputs. That is 1 2 3. Any subset, that is first inputs, first two inputs or first input or second input or third unit, any subset of n that satisfy the constraints. That is, different problems has different constraints. That is, different problems has different constraints means conditions. The any subset of n satisfy the constraints are feasible solutions. That is, one problem has many feasible solutions. That is, one problem has many feasible solutions, but you are finding optimal solution by using objective function. That is, they are finding optimal solution by using objective function. That is, the feasible solution that either minimize or maximize the given objective function. That is, the feasible solution either minimize or maximize the given objective function is called optimal solution. Totally in greedy method, one problem has many solutions, but you are finding only single solution by using greedy method. That is called optimal solution. That is, the optimal solution is based on, that is, the optimal solution is based on objective function. That is, the optimal solution is objective function. By using objective function you are finding optimal solution. So in greedy method, that is, any problem is solved, you are directly finding the optimal solution without finding any feasible solutions. We are directly finding optimal solution by using objective functions. For example, it is suppose even numbers. That is, even numbers from 1 to 50. That is, the even numbers from 1 to 50 means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, up to 48 and 50. These are the feasible solutions. Suppose you are finding even numbers from 1 to 50 means 2, 4, 6, 6, 48. These are the feasible solutions. That is, the feasible solutions, feasible solutions, that is even numbers from 1 to 50. Suppose by objective function, that is, the objective function means suppose our objective function is the maximum even number between 1 to 50. That is, the maximum even number between 1 to 50 means only one optimal solution, that is 50 is optimal solutions. Suppose our objective function is minimum even number between 1 to 50. That is, minimum even number between 1 to 50. That is, our optimal solution is only 2. It is minimum solutions. So suppose the problem is even numbers between 1 to 50. It has different feasible solutions. That is 2, 4, totally 25 feasible solutions. But you are finding optimal solution by using objective function. Here the objective function is even, that is even maximum number or even minimum number. Suppose you are consider optimal objective function either minimum even number or maximum even number. Suppose you are finding objective function maximum even number, that is optimal solution is 50. Suppose even number is 20 or even number is 2. So to solve any the same problem is solved by using greedy method. For any input, that is for any input, suppose find the maximum even number for given input. That is, for given numbers 1 to 50, first we are consider maximum number. First we are consider maximum number. First we are checking it is maximum, it is even number or odd number. Suppose it even number, it is the optimal solution. So for any problem, for given input, first you are finding it is first you are finding directly optimal solution without finding feasible solution. So our greedy method, that is our aim of greedy method is without finding feasible solution, without finding feasible solution, you are finding directly optimal solution. We are directly finding optimal solution without finding any feasible solution. To find any optimal solution, you are consider the input based on the objective function. Suppose here we are finding maximum input. First consider maximum number in the input, that is 50. Either 50 is even number or odd number. Suppose 50 is even number, the maximum even number is 50. Suppose you are finding optimal solution, minimum even number. First you are consider 1. 1 is even number or not. So 1 is not even number. So next consider next minimum number, that is 2. 2 is minimum number or not, that is 2, sorry, 2 is even number or not, 2 is even number. So minimum even number is 20. It is in greedy method is in greedy method our main objective is to find the optimal solution without finding feasible solution. So in greedy method, it is the greedy method suggests that the algorithm works in stages. Consider only one input at a time. You are not consider all even numbers, all the numbers at a time. Consider only one input at a time. Suppose for maximum even number, consider 50 input. Suppose for even number, first consider input 1. One is even number or odd number. Suppose next consider 2. It is only consider only one input is at a time. So in greedy method suggested that an algorithm works in stages and consider one input at a time. At each stage, that is at each stage, the decision is made regarding whether the particular input is optimal solution or not. This is done by selection procedure. It is the selection procedure means suppose one is in first, suppose to find the minimum even number, first you are consider minimum number 1. One is even number or not. It is suppose one is a even number or not. So one is not a even number. We consider the second input, that is 2. 2 is even number. So minimum even number. The selection procedure is based on optimization measurement. That is the optimization function. That is the selection procedure is based on optimization method. This measure is made by objective function. Based on the objective function, it is based on the objective function, your selection procedure is done. So in greedy method, only one input is taken at a time. Only one input is taken at a time. Only one input is taken at a time. Uh, Based on the object function. So in greedy method, only one input is taken at a time and consider one input at time, and at each stage consider one input. The selected input is inserted in optimal solution or not by using selection procedure. So the control abstraction, it is the control abstraction means the general solution, it is the algorithm for general greedy method or control abstraction is algorithm a comma n. Suppose there are n inputs, that is there are n elements, a of 1 to a contain n inputs. So we are consider only one input at a time. We are not consider all inputs at a time. We are consider only one input at a time based on the objective function. So first solution is 0 for 1 equal to 1. First x equal to 1 a. First we are select a of 1. If a of 1 is feasible solution, then the solution union solution. That is the feasible solution. If feasible solution, the solution comma x. That is the solution comma x. Then solution is combined. So first we are selecting. That is we are select the input based on the optimal solution. So the selected input is feasible solution or not. That is the selected input is feasible solution. That is the selected input is feasible. The selected input is feasible solution. The selection procedure is based on objective function. Here the selection procedure is based on some objectivization optimization measurement. This is measured made by objective function. If the measured input is feasible solution, that is it is the solution or not. If the solution, that is the selected input is solution, then combine the solution with previous solution, then totally return solution. This is the uh, Greedy method, general method, that is the general algorithm for greedy method, that is called the control abstraction for greedy method. In greedy method, first you are select an input from input from array. Say here, same select A, and remove it, and select input is assigned to X. The feasible is, that is the feasible is a Boolean valued function that determine whether including in the solution vector or not. Based on the selection procedure, the feasible is a Boolean valued function. Boolean valued function. Suppose the solution including in the solution, that is the x is including the solution vector or not. Suppose the x is including a solution vector by using union function, that is the function union combine x into solution and update the objective function and update objective function. So for example, it is uh, for example, suppose you have in country, it is in a country following coins are available. Following coins are, suppose in US you are following coins are available. Dollars means 100 cents, quarters means 25 cents, diamonds means uh, 10 cents, uh, nickels means 5 cents, and penny means 1 cent. So totally, it is totally the dollar has one coin. Dollar means 100 cents is one coin. Quarter means 25 cents one coin. Diamonds means 10 cents one coin. Nickel means 5 cents one coin, and pennies means 1 cent. So same suppose in Indian currency, that is in Indian currency 1 rupee, that is 1 rupee means 1 rupee coin means 100 pies. Suppose 50 pies, 50 pies means 25 sorry 25 coin 25 pies coin means 25 one coin is 25 cents. Same in US. Dollar means 100 cents, quarter means 25 cents, diamonds means 10 cents, nickel means 5 cents, pennies means 1 cent. Suppose our aim to give an amount to the customer, smallest possible number of elements. So suppose you want to pay 276 possible 276 cents to one customer. We are given minimum number of coins. In the terms of dollars or quarters or diamonds, you are given minimum number of coins. So totally 276, that is 276, we are considered 276 means 200 coins, that is $2, 200 cents plus 200 plus 76 plus, that is 76 means 76 divided into 325 coins $1. So by using greedy method, we are directly finding second solution. In greedy method, we are directly finding 276, that is 276 means first we are paying 276 in terms of dollars. So $2 plus remaining, that is after paying $200, the remaining is 76 cents. The 76 cents is made, the next coin is quarter. Quarter means 325, 325 75 plus 1 pence. So to pay the 276, you can pay in different ways. You can pay 270 cents in different ways, but you can pay the 276 with minimum number of coins, that is smallest possible number of coins, that is smallest number of possible coins means the minimum number of coins you can pay. By using greedy method, first you are finding, that is first you are selecting 276, that is in 276 divided into highest cents, that is highest cents is tens, that is highest cents is 100, $2 plus 75 cents, 3 quarters plus 1 cent. You 276 also paid in other possible solutions, that is $1 7 quarters, that is $1 and 25 means 7 quarters, that is $1. 176 means 176 means 7 quarters and 1 place, that is these are three are feasible solutions, but only one solution, it only one solution, that is optimal solution is you are paying a minimum number of solutions. To pay minimum number of solutions, first we are consider maximum cents coin. So to solve the same problem by using greedy method, first we are finding maximum number of cents coin, that is dollars. This dollars is $100 for 276. First you are paying $2, $2. The remaining 76, that is to pay the 76, next to consider maximum cents, that is maximum cents coins. After 100, the next maximum cents coin is quarter. So consider 3 quarters, and next once remaining 1 cent. 1 cent is paid by one coin, that is penny is given by one coin. So by using greedy method, that is by using greedy method, you can find the minimum number of coins, that is we are finding the best solution. Here in our problem, the best solution is we are paying amount by using minimum number of coins, that is, so for 5 rupees, the 5 rupees can be paid by different coins, that is, suppose in 5 rupees, for 5 rupees we are paying 2 rupees, that is 2 rupees 1 rupees, that is, or 1 rupees 5 coins are 2 rupees, and 3 1 rupees, we are paying different coins. For 5 rupees, that is for 5 rupees payments, for 5 rupees payments we are paying different coins, that is only single 5 rupees coin, or 2 rupees coins 2, 1 rupee coin 1. Next one, 2 rupees coins 2, and 3 1 rupees coins 3. So but we are paying a minimum number of coins, means by paying only single coin, that is 5 rupees coin is the best solution. For our Indian currency, suppose to pay the 5 rupees, that is pay the 5 rupees directly, we are paying 5 rupees coin, that is minimum number of coins. Suppose the 5 rupees coins pay, the 5 rupees coin pay with 5 rupees coin, 5 rupees coin 5 rupees coin paid with maximum number of coins, that is maximum number of coins means, that is 5 1 rupees coin, 5 coins paid, it is maximum number of coins. For example, it is suppose it is in American currency. Suppose it is in sorry, it is maximum even number. Suppose in our problem it is, suppose spanning tree. It is a spanning tree. Already you know the spanning tree. It is spanning tree means, spanning tree means already you know about tree means without know. Suppose for the given graph, that is for given graph there are four possible solutions, that is four possible trees. It is one possible tree. It is spanning tree means tree. That is tree means the graph contain no loops is called tree. But for given graph, that is for given graph there are four possible. That is four possible. There are four possible spanning trees spanning trees, but we are finding a minimum cost spanning tree, that is minimum cost spanning tree. Suppose we are finding first four feasible solutions and find the calculate cost for each solution, that is, suppose here cost is 7, it is 1 plus 2 plus 4 7, 2 plus 4 plus 3 9, and next one 2 plus 1 plus 6, and next one 2 plus 3 plus 4 4 plus 4 8. So here there are four possible spanning trees. In four possible spanning trees, the minimum cost spanning tree is 6. So by using greedy method, that is by using greedy method, you can directly solve by considering first minimum cost spanning tree. So our solution is finding minimum cost spanning tree. So to find the minimum cost spanning tree in greedy method, first select the one input at time. So first we are consider only one edge at time. To find the minimum cost spanning tree, first we are consider minimum edge cost, that is minimum cost edge. So to find the minimum cost spanning tree by using greedy method, here we are finding four solution by using we are finding four feasible solutions. But by using greedy method, by using greedy method, you are directly finding optimum minimum cost spanning tree without finding four feasible solutions. So to find the feasible solution, that is to find the feasible solution, it is to find the optimal solution. So our objective function is minimum cost spanning tree. So first we are consider minimum cost edge, that is 1. Next we are consider next minimum cost edge 2. Next we are consider minimum cost edge 3. So by considering three edges, Suppose you are consider next to minimum cost edge pro, the cycle is formed. So reject fourth edge. So there are three edges. First you are consider one, next you are consider two, next you are consider three. By using greedy method, directly you are finding optimal solution. By using greedy method, directly you are finding optimal solution without finding feasible solutions. Suppose without finding means without calculating four, that is without calculating four possible spanning trees, directly you are finding minimum costing tree by using objective function. Here our objective function is minimum cost spanning tree. So minimum cost means first you are consider minimum cost edge. That is minimum cost edge is 1. Next you are consider next to minimum cost edge 2. Next you are consider minimum cost edge 3. So next you are consider next to minimum cost edge 4. But you are consider 4, the cycle is formed. That is the cycle is formed. So a cycle is formed. The any spanning tree has no cycle. So the minimum cost edge is 1 plus 2 plus 3 is minimum cost. Suppose in our syllabus we are having only minimum cost spanning tree. In some areas, suppose you want to find maximum cost spanning tree without finding minimum cost. Instead of finding minimum cost tree, suppose you want to find maximum cost spanning tree, first you are consider maximum cost edge. That is the maximum cost edge is 4. Next to maximum cost edge 3. Next to maximum cost edge true. So our solution by objective function, now your objective function is maximum cost spanning tree. Just to change our objective function maximum cost spanning tree. First we are consider maximum cost edge. Next to consider next to maximum cost edge 3. Next we are consider next to maximum cost edge true. Next we are consider next to maximum cost 1. Suppose you are consider 1, cycle is formed. So reject one cost edge. So maximum cost spanning tree is 9. Minimum cost spanning tree is 6. Without calculating all feasible solution, the main purpose of greedy method is without calculating all possible solution, directly you are finding feasible solution by using objective function. Here the objective function is to minimize the minimum cost spanning tree or maximum cost spanning tree, whatever you want. Suppose you are finding minimum cost spanning tree, you are finding maximum cost spanning tree, you are directly calculating maximum cost spanning tree or minimum cost spanning tree without considering all feasible solution or all possible solutions. So that is the greedy method. Is greedy method, general method. So in any greedy method, only one input is taken at a time. So first we are consider minimum cost spanning tree. First we are consider minimum cost edge. Next consider next first stage we are consider one is minimum cost edge. Second stage you are consider second minimum cost edge. Third stage you are consider minimum cost edge. So the given input, that is the given input is either include in the solution or not. So totally we are finding it is we are finding optimal solution, that is we are finding optimal solution by using objective function is general method. So thank you one and all.